Goodbye, Singapore. See you in Malacca. Hello, ikaw na. Goodbye, Singapore. Going to the bus now to Malacca. Look, it's 6:40 a.m. and it's still dark out. Here's Justina. See you in Malacca. Arrived at the bus.
What a hectic day. Morning.
Look at our seats. It can be reclined. See you in Malacca. Hello, ikaw na. Where are we?
Bus stop.
In Malaysia. Go talaga.
But we're not eating. We don't have cash.
Cash only sa Malaysia.
And we're 1 hour and a half away.
1 hour and a half. Pero mas mura dito compared sa Singapore. Para siyang Philippines na di mo maintindihan. 1 hour and a half away.
Yun yung pinamasarap na
Day 1 and last day in Malacca. We're going to the attraction spots. Ang Grab dito is only 70 pesos. Kaya mag-grab na lang kami kasi mag-walk. No MRT, only Grab. Yeah, I'll update you. Bye!
Ito may shit. Gusto mo ba? Picture tayo niya. Ha?
Pwede.
Ano yung kayo direct? Punta lang natin yung ano. Naalala mo yung parang sa... Yan sa Imus, gusto nag first wave ng flag na independence. Ito meron din sila dito.
Gawa to without any nails?
Oh, yung original. Siguro, yung mga earthquake or dito, typhoons. So, inulit na lang nila. Hindi na siya buong original structure.
Nasira na yung original.
Siguro, may yun na-maintain pa din. Pero,
Bakit nila klinosin? Kasi nga sirain, ganon.
oo, baka fragile mga wood. Sarap, din mainit.
I know. Init.
Sa akin ganitong weather para mga 5 p.m.
Oo.
Yung pa sunset.
Ano oras na ba?
6:30.
6:30 na? The hell? Aga pa.
Sakto nga ipunta tayo Joker. Doon na yung way.
Okay. Hello.
Shiny head.
Ngunit grabe. Siyempre, di matatapos. Di walang trip na walang McDo.
Yeah. Ice cream turned into meal.
Buti pa dito may dip, no? Sa Singapore, may dip. Dito, may dip. Ba't sa Pilipinas wala? Magkano yung meal natin?
300.
300 lang to.
Sa Singapore, 2 meal kami, 1K na.
Oh, sa Singapore, 1K. Dito, 300.
So kung 2
Chicken
meals,
meal.
600 lang.
Chicken meal. Chicken burger meal with large fries and large coke. Plus 2 dip.
Regular Coke, upgrade sa large, 13 pesos lang.
Yeah, boy. 13 pesos. Mura ka.
Tapos yung large was overrated.
Tingnan natin
Kasi
yung
alam mo yung small nila, yung sa Singapore.
Oh.
Medium sa atin.
Tingnan natin yung serving.
Ay, may phone ko din yun.
That's it. Look at our ice cream.
Yung chili sauce, hindi garlic.
Ah, it's not dip.
Okay lang. Ah, sarap. Parang sa ano,
Saan daw?
sa Copenhagen.
Ayaw nga.
Natatatot. Ito. Morning. Day 4.
Day 4, day 2 in Malacca.
Day 4 overall.
Ah, okay. Half day lang kami and then we're going to Kuala Lumpur next. Saan tayo mag-eat, babe?
Basta may secret yun yung secret.
Secret. We're gonna eat secret. Di ka na video yung kagabi. Ang
Samba.
Samba pa more. Sakit ng tiyan. This is our
Hey,
view.
girl. Doon na kayo mag-book kami. Di ba siya nakapag-date?
Oo.
Ang tagal din ng river cruise 40 minutes.
Oo nga.
Kasi pupunta nila end to end.
Okay, see you at the restaurant. Hi.
First time?
Yes.
Yeah. Let me introduce to you our signature is a nasi lemak rendang chicken. The rice is a coconut milk rice. Mee siam rendang, mee siam is a rice noodle, bihun a little bit spicy. Then have the gravy, sweet and sour inside. Ponte is a one of the Malacca New Year food. It's a no spicy at all. Using a bean paste cooked with chicken, mushroom and potato together. Our curry chicken different with others. We didn't have any curry powder. Oh, it's fresh ingredient we cook. Ayam masak merah with tomato chicken a little bit spicy. The chicken is a boneless. Then we have a New Year laksa. We got two types. One with the burger, another one with the prawn. Dessert we have a bubur cha cha, the hot one. Chendol, the chef ice. Bubur cha cha is a yam, coconut sweet potato, orange sweet potato. Then we're using a coconut milk. We put the dessert there. Then we have online cake and New Year food with our self-bus. Here's the food coffee, tea, fruit, and pot of
All items are available. Are they all available?
Yeah. So you have a look here? Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Number 9, 2%.
Alright, thank you.
Ako naman ko.
Sige. Ang galing niya. Ang laki. Naka-vid mo, din nag-vid ako.
I-open and close mo.
Sorry?
Hello. What's your bestseller when it comes to coffee?
Yeah, Cantonese coffee.
That has milk.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's called correct.
Yeah.
More na.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Your bubur cha cha, you want some flour after meal?
Oh, yeah, after me.
After meal, yeah? Okay.
Yes.
Then, yeah.
Thank you. This is nasi lemak chicken, and then that's the laksa shrimp, and then that's Hainanese chicken. That's it. Say something.
Ano siya? Parang curry. Ito, alam mo yung ano, yung sa shell na
Oo.
inate natin, yung maliliit. Halaan ba yun? Ayan o.
Okay. Shrimp yan, diba? Shrimp yun natin.
Oo. Ayun o, yung parang mga small.
Oh, okay.
Fresh, ano nga.
Good, ang sarap nito.
So what? Diyan naman o.
Ginataan niya. Ano ginataan niya?
Same na same.
Ako na yung gusto natin. Wala pa yung gusto natin.
Bilog.
Oo. Hello, wasn't able to take a lot of videos on our last day in Malacca, but now we're on the bus going to Kuala Lumpur. See you on our next vlog. Yay!